Hello everybody, this is Richard Daigle, and I wanted to make a quick little video on using the share codes for the Easy Cash system for our members. Uh, if you join the Easy Cash system, uh, you will get the share codes for the $10 Easy Cash system. And we use LeadsLeap to duplicate our pages. And I highly recommend that if you join, that you upgrade within the first 24 hours. The upgrade will only be about $19 a month, which is a steal. And the only regret I have is that I fooled around and didn't upgrade early, and so I'm paying 27 a month, which to me is still a bargain. I'll always keep this upgrade because it's that important for any program that you're in. We give you these share codes. We've got 3 capture pages that we use, and if you want to see what they look like, here's one of them on the Warrior Plus $10 Easy Cash system. Uh, it's got where they put their name and their email address. Uh, the other one is similar but a little bit different. It has my video on it, but it's got the opt-in pages on it. And the third one is just kind of just a unique one. It just says this gets me 10 leads a day, earn 100% recurring commissions. The $10 Easy Cash system. They put their name, their email address to get started. Okay, how to import these share codes to make your system work. What I recommend you do is you start with your list first, the 30-day email follow-up series. And this is the share code. So you just kind of just copy that and you come over to your LeadsLeap account. And this is my LeadsLeap account. You go to the left-hand side and you look for List Manager and you click that. Okay. Now I've already got my 30-day email series going, but you probably won't have it, so you'll need to add a new list. When you do, you just put a name to it, like Easy Cash System. You just type that in there. Okay, and then once you do that, you come over here to this little first icon. It's the basic setup, which is mandatory. Okay, when you click that, it's to set up your to set up the whole system. So you give it the list name, which you can use Easy Cash System. Your brand name, I just put From the Desk of Richard Daigle, and you can do the same or you can leave that blank. And then it says the redirect URL after verification. And this is your Warrior Plus Easy Cash System link, which you will find in your Warrior Plus back office. And you just put that in there. It says an email when someone opts in. I put yes so I can find out who they are. Then you put your full name, your email address, and then it'll ask an email verification code. If this is the first time you made a list, they will send that code to your email address, and all you do is copy it and come over here and put it in here. If you've already made a list before, it'll be automatic. They'll just pop this in for you. Then you put your real physical mailing address here, and then with the email signatures, if this is your first time, I would just leave all that blank. And then you come over here and you click Save and Activate. And then you're almost finished. Okay, then you need to come over to where it has these 2 little emails icon, and you click that. And this is where you're going to use that share code that I showed you. You're going to import. This is where you put that share code right here. And then replace all existing episodes. You can just say on the first one, replace all existing episodes. Click that. and then include the welcome email, say yes if available, and then import. And once you do, all this list will be here. So that's what you do there. And then you come over here where it says replacer code, and you click that. Here it'll show my name, and you just need to change that, and we'll leave that there and just put your name here. And then this one has my Warrior Plus referral link, and you need to replace that and put yours right there. And then you click changes. And once you do, it should be all set up. You kind of go into each one of these and check them out and make sure that the link is yours, and then you've completed the list. Okay, you've got your list. Now you're going to need to make your pages. So you come over here to Page Manager. Okay, and we're loading up. It's a little bit slow right now, but it says add a new page, and these are where these codes come in. Okay, if you want to do any of these, you start with the share code. You grab that share code, you come over here, you add new page, you give it a name like Easy Cash System, and you click add now. Okay, then you got to come over to Launch Editor. Once you do, you'll be able to put that share code in there, and you click OK, and it duplicates the page for you. So you got a page just like that. But afterwards, you need to launch the editor, and as we launch the editor, there's just certain things you need to change, and usually this is the box where they click it, and this is not the page I wanted to show you. Let me see if I can find it. An opt-in page. Here it is. We'll go here, and let's see if I can find it. Okay, see, there's an opt-in page with the name and email address. You need to come over here to where it says list. You come over here, and it says get the list ID. And once you click that, it'll show you what list you have going. And you've made one already for Easy Cash System. So you click that. Leave the redirect blank. And after that, you go over here and click Save. And after you do that, you should be all set up. Your opt-in pages will be made, and it'll be linked to your list. And what I recommend everyone to do is to opt into one of their own pages and see exactly what their prospects see, and go through the emails, click them, click the link, make sure they're yours, to see that the whole system is set up. And then once it is correct, then you're ready to promote, and just use our advertising sites that we've got listed here, all our how we advertise the $10 system, and start promoting those pages. Okay, this is Richard Daigle signing out, and I thank you for listening.